Now.
All right. So
the idea is you're going to crank this all the way until it hits the end. Your hand should stay on top of the cylinder to keep the paper on the cylinder. So your hand's going to stay on top and travel with it. And then once it comes around, grab the tail of the sheet and pull it out and then roll it back.
Just pop it off.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Is there a speed at which that it's best to do this? Okay. So just roll it and hold this up here.
Yep. And then that can go, and then you pick up the tail on the other end. Just keep going.
Oh, like this? All the way to the end?
Oh,
gotcha. Yeah. And then
there it is.
there it is.
And now you haven't made your first print until the carriage is returned to its original place.
Oh. That's important to know.
So there it is.
That is not punching holes in the paper anymore. That's exciting.
It confirms a lot of
Yeah, that's exciting.
Confirms a lot of what you were trying to do.
Wow, you need a drink or a cigarette. Or
Yeah, I know, right? It's giving me the vapors. What have we found so far? We found that by themselves, a little bit of alteration, but I mentioned that in getting this project set up. I said we might need to do a little bit of sanding, we might need to do a little bit of fancy melting work, but as long as it doesn't alter the core design elements that we're looking for, I'm okay with that. And that's exactly what we had here. And then we also found that adding a little bit more paper to the backing, getting a little bit more of a mush in the depression.
More impression.
Yeah, more impression. That's giving it a much nicer impression as well too. So we're getting somewhere. Kind of.
Because that's just these stacked up.
Is this a different size?
That one is, yeah. That's the big
That's
one.
the bigger one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to make it as simple as possible. But that's like the idea, the dream idea.
4-color type. Let's make it as simple as possible.
That's why I snickered when he said
Try
that.
to register these plastic beast things that we made. I don't care if it registers, to be totally honest with you. It's just going to be interesting to see how close we can come.
Then you gotta do the shadow, then the fill, then the inline, then the outline.
And what is this? Is this orange? So this is another
Who knows?
color?
Yeah, that's just
No,
trying to say.
that's gonna be red.
That's gonna be red. Okay.
It's gonna be
good.
red.
Good.
It'll look good red.
Otherwise, 6 colors.
This is the only reason I brought it up. I was like, oh, another color.
No, that'll look great red.
How many are you printing?
Yeah, like that's the other thing. How many
I'm
are
at
we
his
trying to
mercy.
print? If we try to shoot for 50, we run 70 and hope for the best.
All right.
We just gotta figure out how many sheets of paper you got over there from Reach.
A lot.
Plenty.
It's the paper I like to run. There's those.
Coaster stock.
Yeah.
No, you don't.
This
wanna
is
run
not a big deal. This will run really cheap.
You can make me something cool and send it back. Free of charge.
So this
How much money do you have?
This is